In this demo, we are going to look at the Duality platform collaborative AI and how it's able to assist cross-ministries collaboration or cross-department collaboration without exposing any sensitive data. In this example, we are going to look at a different pet privacy enhancement technology, which is a trusted execution environment or secure enclave, which allow centralized, secure component within the platform that now can be integrated and supported on major cloud providers such as AWS, Azure, GCP, in order to allow secure collaboration and providing high range of capabilities for data scientists. So in this example, we're going to see the Social Security Department. We are in the Duality Platform Management Console. We can see the various participants: citizenship and immigration, the Social Security, and another party which is hosted the Secure Enclave. We can see the various roles: analyzing party, getting the result, initiator who started the session, and asset owner. It really depends. It can hold data, models, or in some cases workload, which is a Python script or notebooks. We can see here some built-in workload, for instance, private set intersection for a crosstab, for retrieve, histogram, which is basically custom workload that is built in on the platform and allow the end customer or the data scientist to perform a different analysis based on the pre-built workloads. We can see here the various data coming from the Social Security Department and the Citizenship and Immigration. So we can see here the citizens' IDs, client cluster ID, and gender. These are all the schemas and the data characteristics, and not exposing any data in that case. Same things for the citizenship and immigrations. You can see here immigration status, country of origin, and so forth. The end goal is to perform specific computations on the data running within the secure enclave. And in this example, we are going to identify the private set intersections, or in this example, the common citizens based on their IDs between the two departments, so Social Security and the citizenship and immigration. We can see here that we can actually start a new session. We'll put a name for the session. Down below here, we select the type. It's a pre-configured. In that example, this is a centralized. It means that we're using the Duality Platform Secure Enclave or the Trusted Execution Environment to perform the computation within the secured component. From the drop-down of the workload, we have selected the Retrieve Generic for private set intersection. All those workloads are available for the data scientist, who are the analyzing parties that will see the results. And from the workload parameters, we can see here the assets and the selected data that we are going to choose for Social Security data, which is basically a data that is available on a GCP bucket. But basically that could be integration with the databases that we support and so forth. Once we confirm the session parameters, we can see that the new session in a moment will be started. We are currently on the Social Security department, and we see that the new session is being created. At the same time, if we are going to switch over to the Citizenship and the Immigration Management Console, we can see that the new session has been initiated. And basically, if we are going back to the Social Security Department, we can see the results. In this example, this is the private set intersection or the common citizens based on their IDs among the two departments. So we can see here, for an example, the sample data, citizens' IDs, their client cluster ID, gender from one department versus immigration, and country of origin from the other department. This is something that basically hold on each of the departments' data within their perimeters. And with Duality, we're actually allowing, in this example, it could be individual results or aggregated results. It really depends on the workload. with a common denominator, which is the private set intersections of citizenship between the different departments. And by that, we can gain more knowledge, more understanding about the citizens, and by that, providing additional services. Thank you.